Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to create a data and security app on Thunkable. So it's very easy and simple. Okay, so let's create it. So in screen one, we will rename it as splash screen. Okay, splash screen, and we'll give a backdrop picture. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll search here data and security. Okay, here you can see this image, so we will copy its link address. Okay, and we'll paste it here. Now you'll see, so upload it. You can also press download in your computer then. Okay, so it's very simple. Now what we will do is we will add a label here, you can see, and we will rename it as app name label. Okay, and the text will be data guard. Okay, you can, as you can see. Okay, so it's our label. Okay, and at the last, you can see here, we'll add a button. Okay, like this, and we will rename it as proceed button. Okay, and the text will also be proceed. Okay, proceed. So now it's for the first screen. Now we'll add a new screen. Okay, and the name of the screen will be introduction screen. Okay, intro screen or introduction screen. Okay, so it's our intro screen, and then in intro screen we will add a information label. Okay, so we'll take a label like this. Okay, if you want, you can also add any background picture. Okay, so we'll name it information label. Okay, and the text will be data and security information. Okay, so this is our label. Okay, then we'll add another label. Okay, so it is also information label, so we can rename it as info label. Okay, like well, so like this we'll add it. Okay, and we will rename it as information label. Okay, and this one label we can rename it as introduction label. Okay, intro or introduction label. Okay, so then in this label we'll search on Google like data and security. Okay, okay, so here you can see there is some text, so we'll copy it. Okay, and we'll paste it here. So you can also reduce the size. Okay, like you can see, so it's some information, you can add more. Okay, this was some example. Okay, Then this is our screen. Okay. And now we will add a button. You can add more information if you like. Here we will add a continue button. Okay. Continue, and the text will also be continue. So you can design more as well. Okay. So it's done. Now we'll add another screen. Okay. And the name of the screen will be web viewer screen. Okay. So we will rename it as web viewer screen. Just we will add a label. Okay. And we will rename it as basic label. Okay. Basic or basics label. Okay. And the text will be basic of cyber security. Okay. Basic of security. So, okay. Then we will add a web viewer. Here it is. Okay. Like this will add it. Okay. So it's done. Okay. And at the last, we will add two button pictures. Okay. Like this. We'll add it like this, and we can duplicate it two more times. Okay. As you can see here. So this will be previous button. So you can add any image like previous. Okay. So as you can see, it's added. Now in this one, we'll empty the text first, and first we can rename this one button as previous button. Okay. Okay. And this one will be home button. Okay. And this one will be next button. Okay. Next button. And we will add images both. Okay. Background picture. So as you can see, okay, these both are also added, and this one is also added. So our web viewer screen is also done. So now with the code, first we will do the code for splash screen. Okay. So in the splash screen, okay, when the proceed button is clicked, okay, so we'll simply navigate to the intro screen. Okay. Then we'll go in the intro screen. Okay. And in the intro screen, when continue is clicked, it will be very simple. Okay. So when continue is clicked, we'll navigate to the web viewer screen. Okay. The web viewer screen code is a bit longer. So first we will initialize a variable, okay, to 0. and the name of the variable is counter. Okay, we will initialize the counter variable to 0. Then when web viewer screen opens, we will set this to 0. Okay, when web viewer screen opens, okay, set the app variable counter to 0. Okay, like this. Then when home button is clicked, then navigate to the splash screen. Okay, so when home button is clicked, we'll navigate to the splash screen. Okay, and set app variable counter to again 0. Okay, when next button is clicked, okay, we will set, okay, when next button is clicked, we'll set app variable counter to 0. Okay, and if, okay, first we'll take a if to block. Okay, and inside we'll take a is equal to operator, and we'll give the condition as if app variable counter is equal to 2. Okay, so if app variable counter is equal to 2, then what to do? Okay, so set web viewer URL to, okay, we will set, here you can see set web viewer URL. So you can take any URL. Okay, I'll give the link in the description of different URLs. Okay, you can copy from there. So I have a link, I have added it. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so we'll set web viewer URL to an URL. Okay, and then call web view to reload. Okay, we're going to web viewer, call it to reload. Okay, then we will add a else if. Okay, else if. Okay, else if 2. So else app variable counter is -1, then again do this. Okay, so this is not 2, this is -2. Okay, and we'll duplicate this block. Okay, and if it is -1, then again we will change any, we'll change it to any URL. Okay, well, but we'll change it. Okay, so okay, so as you can see, I've changed it. Okay, then we will again add an else if, and same we'll do this. Okay, but we will change this link and this -1 to 0. So then we will add another one, else if. So this will also be same, and we'll do this till 2. Okay, +2. So we'll change this to 1, and change also the link. So as it's done. Okay, and then last we'll add another else if. Okay, not else, else if. Okay, this thing is to remember. And okay, so here is one more change. We'll change it to 2, and we'll change the is equal to this one. Okay, greater than equal to. So we'll change the link. Don't forget to change the link. Okay, I'll give in the description. Okay, so now it's done. Then when next button again click. Okay, so when next button click, we'll set the app variable counter. Okay, so you can duplicate it one more time as you wish, and you can change the URL. Okay, so It's done. And you can also do it for the previous button. It's also same. When previous button is clicked, okay, then navigate to the intro screen. Okay, so now we'll test it. So as you can see, when proceed is clicked, it is navigated to the intro screen. There is some information. Okay, then continue. So it will change to the different. Okay, if we will click the previous button. Okay, there's sometimes this error, but it will fix soon. Okay, so hope you like the video. If you like, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.